Hello everyone. This application is all about employee leave restriction. In this particular module, time off, where there is a mandatory days, based on that we can restrict the employee for updating the leave on that particular mandatory days. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this app, first we need to go to the time off module. Under the time off, we need to go to the configuration and mandatory days. So here in this particular screen, we will be able to update the name of the mandatory day and the department employee names and the start date and the end date. So based on this, if that particular employee apply for the leave on this particular day, then it will be shown a validation warning. So like right now I have mentioned for Christmas and company celebration for this particular employee Michael, you can add multiple employee and you can select the multiple department and based on the start date and end date. So now I will go to the my time off and I will select one time off, that is paid time off, and I'll be selecting the date for which I have put up as a mandatory days, that is 24. After updating this, if there is any description, you can just mention the description. Not feeling well or family function, you can just mention family function. And you can okay, here you can update the description as a family function or any other description is there. And once it's completed, if I click on save button, it will show me the validation error telling that the company celebration are ongoing, no leave will be granted for the following employee, this particular Michael admin. So similarly, if I update the leave for 25th, that is on the Christmas day, since it's a Christmas, there is no leave, there is a mandatory days that you need to come into the office. If I try to save, it will again show the validation error, that is Christmas or ongoing, no leave will be granted for the following employees, that is Michael admin. Similarly, if this particular employee or the department will be able to update this particular mandatory day leave, then this validation error will be updated. This is for Odoo. If you have any query, this is regarding the employee leave restriction for the mandatory days. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.